Hi, I'm Miss Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. On Thursdays, I'm sharing fun snacks you can make with your kids. Today, let's make a nutty fall snack mix in the slow cooker. You can use your favorite ingredients, but I'll be changing mine up with pecans and goldfish crackers. The slow cooker makes this easy for little helpers, but you can also make it in the microwave or in the oven. Thanks for joining me today. Check back tomorrow for a Physical Friday activity. Bye, friends.